So new clothes, new products, new video, new Eid, old me. Set VX. Okay, so this is Mubashir here from Mubashir Tech by Kashi Vlog. First of all, Eid Mubarak to all of you, Eid 2K21. I think that you are very happy and I am also happy, so may this Eid will bring happiness in your life, inshallah. Thank you. Either way, Mubashir here from Mubashir Tech by Kashi Vlogs, providing you a detailed review of Eid, detailed review of the Philips Home Mini Theater model MC L707. There is a huge box in front of me. I think the box condition is not fair according to you and according to me because of our custom duty services. So custom, shame on you. Company providing these speakers from Europe, because these speakers are from Europe imported. The hashtag or the tag are on the speakers from Europe imported. So these speakers are assembled in Europe to China, China to Pakistan, and Pakistan to Karachi from my house. So I think these speakers cost around $600, including custom service charges, including buying charges plus tax, and including shipping charges plus tax. So $610, $600 estimated round figure. So I want to unbox these speakers, but spoiler alert, I already unboxed it, but I want to unbox it again to share my excitement, man. So after unboxing, we are going to other session, which is the reviewing process. So first of all, we took the remote. Yep, this is the remote. This remote is come from the Philips company with their speakers. So remote. So this remote has many functions, as you see on this, and there is a sensor hiding in a black glass panel. So we have to talk about the remote. The remote has so many functions and so more buttons on their skin. So I think these all functions are for the music creator, music lover. I am a music lover and I don't know how to create a music, but I know about the beat. So I bought these speakers. What is the cost for buying these speakers? These speakers are first of all, these speakers are the remote tutor technology, where I come in a little bit. So remote has three options: aux, disc, and tuner. So this is the digital DVC or DVD or aux powered or Windows powered or Dolby Access or tuner powered speaker home mini theater system. So in which where you can put your DVD and listen music, in which where you can put your aux cable, listen music, in which you can Windows powered, you can listen music, and in which you can use your FM radio also. So I think that appreciate Philips. So amplifier of this speaker, these speakers have two heavy bulks of amplifier, and I think that this is the much heavier than my expectation. At first I am talking about the DVD panel of amplifier. So DVD panel has three buttons at their front. First is the repeat stereo, and second is the forward, backward, and third is the up and down of volume. So now again at the top of the amplifier of the DVD, first is the source, second is the preset, third is the band, which is on, off or pause, and fourth is the close, and at the front there is a power button. So I think this model includes the TFT panel, because speakers have two models, MCD700 and MCL707. So as you can see, there is a TFT panel LED. So I have TFT panel LED, but I won't use the DVD. If you like about the speaker and you can use DVD, give me the comment. I don't know. Okay, so move towards the another amplifier. This video is gonna be short and not gonna be too detailed, but I want to share experience with you and share my excitement with you, man. So this is the main amplifier. Using a volume knob, you can adjust your volume. At the end of the amplifier, you can access your all modes and you can access your all aux. These speakers or these amplifiers have two aux ports. One aux is your window and second aux cable is whatever you can doing. You can play Bluetooth, USB, you can plug your phone and listen the song, like blah blah blah. But these speakers have these speakers. So the main cause of these speakers for buying is the ribbon tweeter technology, which is over here. What is ribbon tweeter technology? The ribbon tweeter technology is enrich your sound, is deliver your sound in connected to a subwoofer or a woofer of the speakers and deliver sound in the best bass experience or in the best rich experience and pop experience. If you are from music, you can know about the loudness, pop, classic and rock. So the amplifier has also a Dolby Access mode where you can adjust your own settings and own treble volume. First thing and last thing about these speakers or these amplifiers are, so the main thing is that there is no treble remote button. So I think that there is difficult because the treble button is the main common thing for adjusting your sound. Now if we talk about the tray of their speakers, so this is the flip tray where you can stand your amplifier here. So this is the whole detailed review about these speakers, and I think these speakers are totally made for me and made for all other creators because 25 watts per speaker and produce around 8 ohm. So I think this is the best part of this speaker. These speakers are about 25 watts and 8 ohm, which provide you the great and deliver and the rich sound. I genuinely played this song in these speakers and my home be like vibration. Doom, doom, doom. So I think best choice for me, best choice for you. Yes, I know that these speakers are cost too much, around 600 bucks, but I pay for 600 bucks and I receive the quality of the 1000 bucks. I know, man, I know. So this is me, Mubashir from Mubashir Tech Bakashi Vlog, signing off from this channel. Goodbye and Eid Mubarak to all of you again. Thank you.